What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm John with Wipeout P.D.R. and once again we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on today. The only difference is we're not going to be doing any dent removal today. We're actually going to be doing a color change on calipers. A buddy of mine does wheel repairs and things like that, and he's coming over to fix some wheels, and we're gonna do a whole color change on the calipers. I'll show you what we have. It is a 2011 Porsche Panamera 4. This is actually my personal vehicle, so I picked this up for my work car. I always liked these. I thought they were neat looking cars, and as you can see in the back, there's plenty of room back there. I put the seats down and it holds all the tools and things like that. So I picked this up for my work car. But what I wanted to do is paint these calipers red. So my buddy's coming over. We're gonna work on that. Again, there's some wheels you could see like with a little curb rash here. So we're gonna have them fix the wheels and do a whole color change on the calipers. I think it's gonna turn out pretty cool. Just make it look a little more sporty, things like that. So figured why not take you along with us as we do this. We were gonna work outside. It's a little rainy out today, so we're in the garage and we'll get going on this in a little bit and take you along with us, see how this thing turns out. Let's do it. All right, so Zach's here. He pulled off the wheels. He has the wheels out in his van. We're gonna fix them as well, but he's starting on the calipers here. And as you can see, I guess, what do? You rub it down with some...
Yeah, just cleaning them up, getting all the brake dust off and any contaminants off. So I'm taking some Scotch-Brite here, knocking off a lot of the brake dust so that we can get a clean surface to spray them up.
And then, what do you wipe it down with? Do you have like some chemical, like mineral spirits or something, or what?
Yeah, it's an alcohol, like a wax and grease remover, as well as a degreaser. So I'll usually use a degreaser first, take some Scotch-Brite with that, knock it all off, and then finally like an alcohol wax and grease to get any greases or any decontaminants in there, and that's what this is here. So I'll do like a final wipe on it, just to make sure the paint adheres right. And then do you have to use like a primer, or the paint you have like is like a primer base? Has that in it. It's a catalyst, so there's only actually a certain amount of pot life on it. It's a catalyst that I inject into it. So it's a primer, and it's actually all high temp, so for calipers it holds up really nice. Cool. Awesome. It's gonna look sweet. So we'll keep going. I'll let him keep working, then we'll just do like a time-lapse thing in fast motion of him doing it. Just gonna mask them off now and then spray them up. Cool, let's do it.
So it's better to pull it off right away, everything. Here's the wheels off the car. You can see I got some kind of curb rash in different areas here. And then he cleans up the whole wheel. This wheel's actually in good shape, but he'll clean up everything, like all this little stuff inside here, and he repaints everything. So it actually looks like a brand new wheel. So he mounts it up in there and then, you know, fixes what he has to, then paints it. So we'll get going on this now, and we'll get these on the car. All right, we are all finished up. Well, actually, Zach is all finished up. I really didn't do anything today, but I think it was really cool just seeing how he did everything, you know, taking the wheels off, grinding them down, sanding them, and painting them, fixing them, and also how he did the calipers. I'll show you the final results here. As you can see, everything's back on the car, the wheels are back on, and calipers are painted. I really think it came out awesome. I'm super happy with the results. Just gives it like a sporty look with those red calipers. I really like it. And even the wheels. So he painted all the wheels. There was one that didn't even need any work at all, but I told him to do that one as well, because he repaints the whole wheel, and I mean, it comes out like a brand new wheel. It really looks awesome. So, and the calipers look amazing as well. So I'm super, super happy with the results. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I thought it was neat just watching the process of him doing it. Oh, and we have these decals here too as well, to put on these silver decals. We're gonna put them on the calipers, but I wanted them to dry first. He said we could probably throw them on a little later on, but I'll wait till tomorrow, let the calipers dry real good, then we'll put the decals on. I think that'll look nice too, just having it say Porsche in silver. But I'm super, super happy with the results. Thank you to Zach. You did an amazing job. So hopefully, once again, you guys like this video. The next video will probably be back to doing dents. So we'll move on to that, and we'll catch you next time.